Meaning of Diwali.
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 Diwali. Diwali is a Hindu festival of lights that is celebrated every year in the autumn. It is also known as the Festival of Lights and marks the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. During Diwali, people decorate their homes with lights and lamps, exchange gifts, and indulge in traditional foods. The festival is typically celebrated over 5 days and is considered one of the most important festivals in the Hindu calendar. Overall, Diwali is a celebration of peace, happiness, and unity amongst friends and family.